This is my husband's childhood home, and the flooring makeover was long overdue. These floors hadn't been touched since the home was built in the 90s. The kitchen still had old vinyl tile, and the carpet in the dining and living area was super worn out. It just felt dated, and we really wanted to give the home a fresh, cohesive look that actually reflected our style. After moving all of the furniture, we moved on to tearing out that old carpet. Fun times, right? And then came the not so fun part, pulling out all of those tiny staples from the subfloor. But it's one of those things that you have to do to get a nice clean surface. Next, we taped spacers around the walls to leave room for an expansion gap so the flooring can expand and contract over time. Then we gave the subfloor a good sweep and rolled out an underlayment, which basically helps with sound, adds a little cushion underfoot, and protects from moisture. We went with Malibu Wide Plank engineered hardwood in the color Astoria, and it is so good. Each box of the engineered hardwood came with 4 different plank lengths, which made it super easy to stagger the pattern and gave the whole space that custom high-end look without extra effort. To cut the flooring, we used a traditional flooring saw. We have quite a few pillars in the space, so we had to pull out the jigsaw for those custom cuts. And then for the doorways, we used an oscillating multi-tool to undercut the door jamb so the planks could slide right underneath. The engineered hardwood has a tongue and groove design. We used a special adhesive between the seams to lock everything in place. Make sure to keep a damp rag handy to wipe off any extra glue before it dries. We used a pull bar and a rubber mallet to tap each piece into place and close up the seams tightly. We really love how it turned out. Astoria is such a beautiful color, and doing the hardwood in our main living spaces gave it this cozy and elevated feel. In the kitchen, we installed Malibu Wide Plank's luxury vinyl planks, also in the color Astoria. And let me just say, I love how easy it is to coordinate both vinyl and engineered hardwood in the same color. It makes the whole house feel pulled together even though we use different materials. Just like with the hardwood, we taped spacers along the wall to leave room for an expansion gap. We decided to install the LVP right over top of the existing vinyl tile, which saved us a ton of time. One of my favorite things about this vinyl is that it comes with the underlayment already attached, so we didn't have to lay anything down first. It uses a click and lock system, which made the install super straightforward. For straight cuts, we just scored with the utility knife and snapped the planks. For the tighter spots around cabinets, we used the jigsaw, and for the door jambs, we undercut again with the oscillating multi-tool. We used the pull bar and the rubber mallet to tap everything into place and make sure the seams were tight. It's such a great option for kitchens, waterproof, stain-proof, and dent-proof, which is exactly what we need in that space. And because it's the same Astoria color as the hardwood, it all flows perfectly. You'd never guess we used 2 different materials. This whole flooring update gave the home such a glow up. Everything feels brighter, cleaner, and way more our vibe now. And being able to coordinate vinyl and engineered hardwood with Malibu Wide Plank in the color Astoria made it all super easy, and it all looks amazing. Big thanks to Malibu Wide Plank for sponsoring this video.